So today we are going to see the breadth first search. So breadth first search is one of the graph traversal technique. So it's mainly used for visiting all the vertices in the graph at one time. So which one is the, we also compute which path is the minimum shortest path between to visit all the vertices in the graph. So mainly BFS are used to queue data structure. So each vertex should be forwarded in a queue. So after inserting the queue, so we are deleting at one by one. So after visiting each vertex. So now I chosen as a starting vertex is a 0. So I'm going to run the BFS algorithm. So first is a starting vertex is a 0. So 0, the nearest neighbor vertex is a 2. So next the 0 is moved to the vertex 2. So after that the truth table is to the vertex 2 is a changed into the visited place. So the next after the vertex 0 is a
Start.
so let's see the another example. So we are going to give a starting vertex is a 0. So I'm going to start a BFS graph traverser. So the first the graph vertex 0 is started. Who is it's find who is the nearest neighbor. 1 2 is enqueued in a queue. So after is 1 is just wait. So after 1 is visiting, so what is the next node of the 1? So 3 is enqueued in the queue. So after visiting that, so what is the next element in the queue? So the next element is a 2. So it should be dequeued after giving the value of a vertex 2. So vertex 2 is a who is the outgoing edges of the 2 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 is enqueued in the queue. So after that, so next we are going enqueued dequeued the vertex 3. So we didn't have any edges in the 3. So next we are going to see the vertex 5. So it is marked as a bold. So the next outgoing edges of the vertex 5 is a 1. That's all. So after visiting 1 is already visited, so skip the 1. So next in the queue is a 6. So next we are going to see the vertices of outgoing edges of the element is 6. So 6 is having outgoing edges to the 7. So 7 is enqueued in the queue. So next, so after enqueued then 7, so it also last one of the queue. So it is also dequeued. Next queue make a queue is a empty. So at last we got the order is this order, but we not visited the fourth vertex because it is not connected to the graph. So that's why it is a unvisited place. So that's all. This is a simple explanation of the breadth first search. Thank you.